Hi, all. Welcome back to the Testing Mentor. I'm sure you all have wondered which companies pay the big bucks for SDET roles in India. Well, today I've got something special for you. The top 5 highest paying companies for SDETs in India, specifically for professionals with around 5 years of experience. Now, quick disclaimer before we start. These numbers are based on market research, verified reports, and industry data. They might not be 100% exact because compensation depends on things like your skills, experience level, city, role band, and of course, negotiation. So, treat these as realistic salary ranges, not fixed numbers. All right, now let's jump in. We'll count down from number 5 all the way to number 1. So, make sure you stick till the end because top spot is held by a company that everyone dreams of working for. At number 5, we have Microsoft, the pioneer that has been shaping tech for decades. SDETs here are not just testers, they are builders of quality. You'll work on products like Azure, Office 365, and Teams, ensuring that millions of users get a seamless experience every single day. With around 5 years of experience, an SDET at Microsoft can earn anywhere between 38 to 48 lakhs per year, including performance bonuses and benefits. What's great about Microsoft is its balance. The company promotes learning, mentorship, and career stability. You'll find yourself surrounded by senior engineers who help you grow technically and professionally. So, if you want a culture that involves innovation and work life balance, Microsoft is definitely a strong contender. Next up, at number 4, we have Amazon, a company that never sleeps because its systems run the world's biggest e commerce and cloud platforms. At Amazon, estates aren't just automating, they are engineering quality for systems that scale to millions of transactions every second. From Prime Video to Alexa to Amazon.in, SDETs work on diverse tech stacks involving microservices, APIs, and distributed architectures. The pay, on average, around 40 to 50 lakhs per year for mid-level SDETs with 5 years of experience, including the stocks and performance bonuses. But Amazon is fast-paced. It's customer obsessed, which means high ownership and steep learning curve. You'll work on real world problems that have immediate business impact. If you enjoy working in a high energy, high responsibility environment, Amazon is the place that will push you to your limits and reward you for it. Coming in at number 3 is Uber. Yes, the same Uber you use to book rides, but behind that app is a massive engineering system handling real time pricing, maps, and global payments. SDETs at Uber work closely with developers to test and automate systems that handle millions of concurrent users. Here, testing is deeply integrated into the development process. It's fast, modern, and built on microservices and Kubernetes based architecture. For someone with 5 years of experience, Uber's compensation typically ranges between 42 to 52 lakhs per year. That includes base pay, bonuses, and performance linked perks. The best part is Uber gives you freedom. You're encouraged to take ownership, experiment, and even contribute to system design. So, if you are a problem solver who loves scale and speed, Uber gives you the perfect blend of tech challenge and impact. At number 2, we have Apple. Known for its perfectionism, Apple has one of the most rigorous testing cultures in the industry. SDETs at Apple ensure that everything from iPhone apps to backend systems runs flawlessly. You might be working on automation for iCloud services, iOS apps, or device integration, and every line of test code you write directly affects the user experience of millions. With around 5 years of experience, an SDET can earn between 45 and 55 lakhs per year, including bonuses and Apple's legendary stock grants. But the culture? It's intense, structured, and deeply focused on precision. Apple expects excellence, and in return, it gives you access to cutting edge tech, world class mentorship, and that sense of pride that comes from building something truly premium. It's not just a job, it's craftsmanship. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. At number one, no surprises here, it's Google. Google has completely redefined how SDETs work. Here, testing isn't an afterthought, it's engineering innovation. SDETs design large scale automation frameworks for products like YouTube, Android, Gmail, and Google Cloud, ensuring quality at massive scale. They work on performance, scalability, and integration testing across multiple tech stacks from Java to Go to Python. With 5 years of experience, SDET compensation at Google ranges between 55 and 70 lakhs per year, including base pay, performance bonus, and stock units. But here's the kicker, at Google, it's not just about salary, it's about learning from the best engineers on the planet, working on products billions of people use, and having the freedom to innovate every single day. It's the dream job, and yes, the hardest to get. But once you are in, you're building software that shapes the future. So that wraps up our list: Microsoft, Amazon, Uber, Apple, and of course, Google. The top 5 highest paying companies for SDETs in India right now. Remember, these numbers are just guidelines. Your actual pay depends on your skills, interview performance, negotiation, and the projects you have worked on. If you want to land interviews in these companies, focus on strong Java or Python coding skills, building custom automation frameworks, API testing using REST Assured or Postman, CI/CD tools like Jenkins, and understanding system design and scalability basics. I'll be making a dedicated video soon on how to crack SDET interviews at product based companies. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon, and stay tuned for the next one. Your testing mentor is signing off. Keep testing, keep learning, and keep building your dream career.